intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, welcome. My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. So today's video, I'm going to be talking about my favorite wigs and just hair extension products. Because I mean, there are so many different kinds. It's hard to know what really works, what's gonna look good, what isn't gonna take forever to put in, and I've tried it all. So I'm gonna tell you what my favorites are, where I got them, and yeah. I am not gonna try them all on though because your girl's tired. I've just been working the past 2 nights, 12-hour, 13-hour shifts. So, but if I don't try it on, I will show you a picture. So the first thing I want to talk about, this is actually my very first human hair ponytail, or any human hair anything. Everything else I'm going to be talking about is synthetic. This is the first time that I splurged and got human hair. It was, I think, $66 for 22-inch ponytail. And I just curled it upstairs and straightened it. Worked beautifully. It looks really natural, but I know that is kind of pricey. I mean, I've been wearing wigs for years, and this is the first time that I have bought a, one that was human hair. I think that the synthetic ones are really awesome. So let me show you some of my synthetic ponytail extensions that I really like. This is basically almost the exact same to what I have in my hair now, except it is synthetic. But this you can use heat on. Not a very high degree of heat, but if you are interested in getting like a synthetic wig or some sort of synthetic extension, make sure you read and see if it can tolerate heat or not. Because before I knew that, I definitely ruined a wig by trying to curl it, and yeah, it wasn't heat tolerable. So the way it works is it has a little clip right here. I found if you put 2 ponytails around your ponytail, it seems to hold on better. And then you just clip it in, and then I usually flip my head over, but I already have one in. I'm just kind of showing you. And then you wrap this piece around. I don't know if it's gonna work because I have one in already. I got a triple ponytail going on. Look at that. Anyway, so, but like, I think that looks really good. This was only like $10. I really like it. And something else that is fun and easy to do, like, these are so easy to put in. It literally takes like 2 minutes. I hate like the clip-in extensions for multiple reasons. They take forever to put in, and my hair is so thin that I can't add many before you start to see them, so it really doesn't do much for me. But something else you can do is if you have like a ponytail extension, you can always like make it into, like a messy bun. That's okay. I'm starting to look like Marge Simpson now. That's not the look I was going for. Do something like that. But obviously, do a better job than I did, please. No, that's the one I just showed you. So I also have one that is wavy that I really, really like because my hair is naturally wavy, and like what I'll like to do is I'll put my hair into either one French braid or like ponytail Dutch braids, and then when I take it out, it looks like crimped like this. So if my hair is like that, I will just put this over and do the same thing. And I really like this one. I think this one was like $12, and these are all from Amazon. So I did order one. I kept seeing the brand Pretty Party on Instagram, and then they ended up having a sale, so I did get one from them. Let me go get it real quick. Ridiculously long, like Rapunzel long. And another thing about it is, so the way that you put it on, it has kind of like a rubber band attached to it. So you're just supposed to put it around your ponytail. But I put it around once, it's too loose, and then I can't get it around a second time. So it just doesn't fit right on my ponytail. But another ponytail extension type that I like is this right here. So this is another straight one. I really like this one. So it has the same thing with a clip, but this one actually ties. And I kind of like that. And it's, you know, if I believe it's the same color as the hair, like this, you know, matches the blonde. And this is also super easy to put in. Okay, so now I'm gonna talk about these one-piece clip-in extensions. Some of them can be okay. I just find them to look a little fake. But I will tell you how I like to use these. So the way you're supposed to use these is you're supposed to kind of separate like a fourth of your hair down, kind of like right by your ears, maybe a little lower. And it has clips, like clip-in extensions, but it's just one whole piece instead of separate pieces. And then you're supposed to, and yeah, so that's how that's supposed to go. And I mean, it does, it works. It's easy, and it gives you a lot of length and volume. And it would look better if the top part wasn't crimped, it was curled instead, but yeah. And another way I like to use these is, we're gonna separate it the same way we did before. Let me take it out real quick. Okay, we're gonna separate it, yeah, the way we did before, like right behind the ears. And then what I do is, I flip it upside down, like this. Okay, so now we're gonna put it with the prongs facing upwards, and then we're gonna clip it in. And then you can put your hair in a high pony, and you have like a super voluminous ponytail. And then you have a nice curly ponytail. And then you could also, you know, make it into a bun if you wanted. What is this crap from Yogurology? No golden cupcake batter, so we replaced with vanilla. Our apologies. Who replaces cupcake batter with vanilla? I mean, if it was me, I would have stayed along the same lines. Okay, they like cupcakes, they like sweets, they like desserts. What about cookies and cream? What about red velvet? Or I also ordered salted caramel. They could have given me two of those. But no, they gave me vanilla. Alright, let's get into the wigs. So my all-time favorite wig is gonna have to be this like blonde, but it also has like pastel blue and pink and purple all throughout it. Oh, if you have, you know, watched some of my recent videos, I'm wearing this in a lot of them. So I'm not going to try this on because I have worn it in a lot of videos recently. But oh, I love this one so much. And what was so great about it was normally when I order like a synthetic wig, I got this from Amazon, I have to thin it because they're so full and thick, and that is what makes it look fake. I did not have to thin this one at all. It is like just the perfect like amount of hair, it looks natural. Alright, let me put my hair in a braid and I'll put a wig cap on so I can show you some of these wigs. One of my greatest purchases when it comes to wigs has been this thing. So you have to find like where it goes against the grain, because this helps the wig like not slide back. Alright, so this next wig, I don't know what I'm doing with it. I haven't worn it yet. I don't know. It was originally curly. I straightened it and thinned it some, but I don't know how I feel about it. But I will try it on for you guys. This was also from Amazon. Amazon has a lot of good lace front synthetic wigs. I will say that. So, I don't know how I feel about it. Maybe I pulled some of it back. Yeah, that looks better. I might have to thin it some more. Oh, my cat's being a little spoiled brat, and he just got fed twice already. I haven't even, all I've eaten is yogurt, and he's been fed twice. Yeah, I probably just maybe need to thin it more and then maybe pulled back. Okay. I like the blonde and the pink mix. Yes. What I love about wigs is because I've always wanted to try, you know, different colors and styles, but I couldn't because of either school or work, and this allows me to do that. Yes. So this was originally a really long wig. I think I tried to cut it some and then it was uneven, so I just kept cutting until I'm like, you know what, it's just gonna have to be a bob. But this is a little big on me, and I've never had that issue with any of the other wigs. I always can find a setting and, you know, it fit nicely. But so yeah, like at the front, because it is like loose, there's the lace is kind of lifting off from my head. It's not snug enough around my face. I still like having a pink bob though. It's like 2020 version of Pulp Fiction. Alright. You guys have already seen my like Agent Scully short blonde wig. This is probably my second favorite wig. This is also from Amazon, but this one is just a slightly higher quality than most of the lace front synthetic wigs on there. I usually pay anywhere from like $20 to $40 for a synthetic wig on Amazon. I think this one was like $45, and it also had lace front all the way around 360 degrees. So I'll put a picture up of me wearing this one. I love this one so much, and I love how the roots are darker so it looks natural. This one I got for a Jessica Rabbit Halloween makeup tutorial. I hope that I still get to do it because I really want to. I got the gloves and everything. I'm just really hoping that I can find time. So I have not like thinned this or really done anything with it yet, but I will just show you what it looks like. It's super soft. I think this one was a little, maybe like 40. How do I look as a ginger? So as you can see, like how thick it is, and that's, you know, what can really give it away that it's a wig. So I'll definitely need to thin this, but that is an extensive process. So then I also have, this is another really good wig that I like, and it is just like kind of a long bob, and I'll put a picture up because I have worn this quite a bit on my channel. Not so much recently, but and I also like it because it has the darker roots as well, like the other one. Alright guys, so those are my favorite wigs and other hair related extendables. I hope you enjoyed this video, or at least found it entertaining to see me trying on wigs and stuff. But anyways, I'll list all the products I talked about in the description below, and let me know if you've ever worn a wig before, have you ever wanted to, down in the comments below. Alright guys, I love you. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, so do you think this mask will be effective against COVID? I'm sure it will, even with all the holes, right? This is more like, I feel like an I Dream of Jeannie type of chick, like a belly dancer. I need to start belly dancing. I'm actually in my clueless outfit today.